Whether you're cruising the open highway or navigating busy city streets, having a reliable motorcycle dashcam can make all the difference. From capturing scenic rides to providing crucial evidence in case of an accident, these compact yet powerful devices are a must-have for every rider. In this video, we're counting down the 5 best motorcycle dash cams that combine durability, clarity, and smart features to keep you safe and connected on every journey. The FancyTiger motorcycle dashcam delivers excellent video clarity with its dual front and rear 1080p cameras, ensuring comprehensive coverage of your ride. The automatic light-sensing chip optimizes screen brightness in all lighting conditions, making footage clear whether riding in bright sunlight or low light. With the included 128GB TF card, you'll have ample storage for long journeys without constant file management. Seamless wireless CarPlay and Android Auto. Enjoy the convenience of wireless connectivity with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Easily access navigation, music, and messages right on the 6.25-inch IPS touchscreen, controlled via Siri or Google Assistant for a truly hands-free experience. It's important to note that all maps and functions are powered through your connected smartphone. Built-in TPMS for safety. Safety takes center stage with the Integrated Tire Pressure Monitoring System, TPMS. The package includes 2 high-precision sensors to deliver real-time tire pressure and temperature updates, reducing the risk of blowouts and improving overall ride safety. The universal compatibility ensures simple installation on virtually any motorcycle. Durable design and easy control. The waterproof IPS display is built to withstand the elements, while the user-friendly digital by-wire control key allows quick operation without distracting from the road. The adjustable bracket holder provides a stable and flexible mounting option for different bike types. The Carpuride W712D enhances motorcycle safety with its dual 1080p 30fps wide-angle front and rear cameras, providing clear, detailed views of the road ahead and behind. The split-screen DVR mode allows simultaneous monitoring, while loop recording with the included 64GB TF card ensures continuous footage without manual file management. Versatile 7 Tishi HD rotatable display. Its 7-inch WEUASTE 24x600 IPS touchscreen offers sharp visuals and flexible viewing options. Portrait mode maximizes navigation visibility, while landscape mode is perfect for multimedia or split-screen use. The rotatable design adapts easily to rider preferences for optimal convenience. Seamless wireless CarPlay and Android Auto. With wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, riders can access navigation, calls, and music directly on the display. Siri and Google Assistant support ensures full hands-free control, allowing you to focus on the ride while staying connected. Enhanced audio and hands-free communication. Bluetooth audio connectivity lets you pair the unit with a headset or helmet, enabling wireless calls and music playback without removing your helmet. This feature adds both safety and comfort during rides. Rugged and weatherproof build. Built with IP67 waterproofing and a durable detachable anti-theft bracket, the W712D is ready for all weather conditions and secure parking. It performs reliably in extreme temperatures from -20°C to 80°C. The Vantrue F1 delivers exceptional image quality with its Starvis-powered front 4K and rear 1080p cameras, both featuring a wide 160° field of view to reduce blind spots and capture more than 3 lanes of traffic. The picture-in-picture feature allows simultaneous front and rear viewing without editing, saving storage space while keeping essential footage in one frame. Durable IP67 waterproof design. Engineered for all-weather riding, the F1's cameras, accessories, and cables are fully IP67 waterproof and dustproof. Whether riding through heavy rain, snow, or dusty trails, the system continues recording without interruption, backed by a robust build for long-term reliability. Advanced GPS tracking and mileage stats. Integrated GPS embeds speed, route, and location data into your videos. Through the Vantrue app or GPS player, riders can access detailed trip statistics, including mileage, average speed, and elevation, which can even be exported as a PDF for insurance or legal purposes. Smart recording and large storage support. The adjustable G-sensor locks critical footage during collisions, while loop recording ensures continuous capture without manual intervention. Supporting up to 512 gigabytes, it provides ample storage for extended trips, convenient controls and connectivity. The built-in 5 GHz Wi-Fi enables quick previews, downloads, and sharing via the Vantrue app, while OTA firmware updates keep features up to date. The wired remote and voice guidance make it easy to lock videos, take snapshots, and receive alerts for emergencies or memory card errors. The WEUASTE Professional Motorcycle Dashcam delivers crystal clear video from both front and rear cameras, each recording in 1080p with a 140 degrees wide-angle view to minimize blind spots. Built with high-grade chips, a durable metal shell, and IP66 waterproofing, it ensures reliable performance in all riding conditions. Real-time tire pressure monitoring. Equipped with 2 precision TPMS sensors, the system provides real-time tire pressure and temperature data directly on the display. This feature enhances safety by alerting riders to potential tire issues before they become hazardous, helping prevent blowouts and improving ride confidence. Seamless wireless CarPlay and Android Auto. The 5.5-inch waterproof touchscreen supports both CarPlay and Android Auto, connecting wirelessly to your smartphone. Riders can use Siri or Google Assistant for navigation, calls, messages, and music, keeping hands free and eyes on the road for a safer ride. Intuitive digital control and power integration. Its digital by-wire control displays battery voltage and allows quick adjustments via dedicated keys. Designed to power on and off with your motorcycle, it works best with a direct 12-volt connection, ensuring stable operation without manual intervention. The VSYSTO D6L Motorcycle Dashcam captures sharp Full HD 1080p footage from both front and rear cameras, delivering reliable clarity day or night. Its Starlight night vision technology enhances low-light performance, ensuring crucial details are visible even in dark conditions. Durable IP67 waterproof cameras. Built for all-weather riding, both front and rear cameras are IP67 waterproof, making them resilient against rain, dust, and splashes. This robust design ensures dependable operation in challenging environments, though the main DVR unit should be mounted under the seat as it is not waterproof. Wi-Fi connectivity and mobile app. The dedicated VSYSTO Wi-Fi camera app allows real-time video viewing, downloads, and quick sharing without removing the memory card. Riders can also edit clips and add music directly from their phone, making it convenient for both safety and sharing ride moments. Wide-angle coverage and stable mounting. With 130 degrees wide-angle lenses on both cameras, the system captures a broad field of view, reducing blind spots and documenting more of the road ahead and behind. The compact main unit saves space and is easy to install using the provided accessories.